All right, last line of these. So we are doing dividing. So we've got negative 36 divided by 9, so it's negative 4. And then we have m, so m to the 2 minus a negative 2 is plus positive, so m to the 4th. T to the negative 3 minus a negative 3, that's going to be 0. So we talked about this yesterday. Anything raised to the 0 power, that equals 1. So we're doing negative 4 times 1. So that's going to be negative 4 m to the 4th. All right, for letter I have nothing outside of these parentheses, so I don't have to distribute anything. So I'm going to be multiplying these three terms. So 3 times 4 times 4. So I take those coefficients first, and I do 3 times 4 is 12, times 4 is 48. And then I deal with the a's. So we've got a squared, a to the negative 4th, and this a doesn't have an exponent, so I put a 1 with it. So it's going to be a to the 2 plus negative 4, that's negative 2, plus 1, negative 1. Then we deal with the b's, so we've got b to the 5th times b to the 9th times b to the negative 1st. So we're going to add those exponents. B to the 5 plus 9 is 14, plus a negative 1, that's 13. All right, so we have that negative exponent, so we're going to circle that one with the base. That's going to get relocated into the denominator with a positive exponent. And 48b to the 13th is up top. All right, for the last one, we actually have an exponent on the outside of these. So these are the ones we actually need to take care of first, because PEMDAS, remember, like, you have to deal with the exponent part first. So we're going to distribute that into the terms on the inside. So this is going to be s to the, when you exponent to an exponent, you multiply them, so 12. This is a 1 with this t, so it's going to be t to the 3rd. And then times, since parentheses just means times. And then we're going to do negative 2 to the 4th. And then s, this has a 1 with it, s to the 4th, t to the 20th, because we're multiplying. All right, so I'm going to deal with the number part first, because my coefficient always goes out in front. So negative 2 to the 4th. So that's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So that is positive 16. Then we deal with the s's, so we're dealing with the like terms. So s to the, now we're multiplying, so we're going to add them, 16. T to the, and we're multiplying, so we're going to add those exponents, 23. Now, these all have positive exponents, so I don't need to rewrite them, so that's my final answer. All right, we'll tackle a couple of those tough ones from the worksheet.